Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to control accepting responses through the Google form, because once you start creating the Google form, it's public by default, meaning anyone who has the link to the form can submit a response. If you are conducting quiz or exam, in the sense the expirational date, and it can collect unlimited number of responses until the form owner decides to manually close the form. To avoid that, how can we fix the date and time, number of responses that can be controlled by using the add-ons. There are so many add-ons, but in this video we are going to learn control accepting responses. Once I'm going to create a form, this is the form I have created already, and I'm going to add on the control accepting responses. Just go here, you will find the dots here, and if you open, it will display the pop-up menu. In that you can find the add-on. Go to add-on, search control accepting responses add-on. Search by typing control. Once you type control, it will display the add-on control accepting responses. Just open it. This is the icon. Open it and get installed. So it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. You just give continue. Give allow. Done. And just close it. Go to, you will find add-on icon here. Just go to add-on. Already I have installed Certify-EM. This is the second add-on which I installed now. Control accepting responses. Go to, it will open the menu. In that you can find the settings and info. It will open dialog box. In that you can set whichever the date and time, how many responses you just want to limit for this particular form. You just do it. Here you will find a start immediately option. If you want to enable the form start immediately collecting the response from the public, in the sense you just click the checkbox. Now I am going to fix this form for accepting response on 5th. Today is 1st, and I'm going to fix this form for accepting the response from the public 5th. And if you want to add time, you just fix the time. I'm fixing time as 10 o'clock. If you want to fix the minute, you can fix it. I just don't want to fix the minute. And moving to the maximum number of acceptance, I'm fixing this form to accept the responses maximum 50%, so that 50 people can able to attend this form. And stop date, fix the stop date. Same 5th, I'm fixing the stop date. And hours, I have started 5th 10 o'clock, and I'm going to end this form 2 p.m. You just fix it 2 p.m. and I don't want to fix the minutes, so I'm moving to the without fixing the minute. Next, if you want to change your triggers time zone, in the sense you can change it. I'm leave it as it is Asia, so I'm leaving as it is. And moving to next tab, you'll find the options here to fix the default message. For example, once you are sharing the link to the people, so immediately they start collecting, they start filling the information which is asked in the form. So to control that, so you are fixing the message by default. Please wait until 9/5/2020 10 a.m. to use this form. Why? In the sense to avoid confusions, that once the public open this form, it will not open, because we have fixed the limited date and time to engage to get acceptance of this form. So to avoid that confusion, you are sending the message to the people whoever trying to attend this form. So I am fixing the current message as same, leave it as it is. If any error occurs, you want to receive mail, send an email when form closes to a second email address. If you want to enable, you just enable it, give the email address. And status, no need of setting status and user as it is. Whatever the trigger you have enabled, which can be visible in this tab, just leave it as it is. User settings, that also leave it as it is. If you want to change the year, time and then format of the date, in the sense you can change it. Hours, if you want to change the hours, 12 hours with the AM PM, which format you need to display the time, you just change here. So after doing all these settings, moving to first tab and give save and implement. Once you click save and implement, it will display like this, a setting saved. Go back and close it. Now go and see the responses. Automatically it will not accepting the responses. Whenever the public used to get the link of this particular form, in the sense they will be knowing that this form has been logged. So in that mentioned particular time and date only it will be enabled. So that only we have fixed the customized message. Thank you guys. Hope all of you understood how to use control accepting responses add-on to fix date and time. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the Tech Learning Home YouTube channel to receive upcoming online teaching tools. Thank you.